the course of the day, was there anything that jumped out at you? You went, that's interesting, I didn't see that before, or what were some of the key takeaways for you?
I think the roundtable discussions actually had a blend of people who brought different insights, and there were some takeaways from that. In fact, some real good debates that came out of it. I wish we would have had the opportunity for more than just 3 out of the 10, but indeed, I think that was one of the more valuable elements. Also, I thought that the mix of attendees and the nature of the dialogue was really quite rich this year. Well organized, well executed.
That's good. You have a list of 20 points that summarize.
Yes, it was very interesting. I'm first time in this conference because it's in Amsterdam and not in San Francisco. So I enjoyed meeting very interesting people which I have not known before, and I got a good overall view about upcoming technology, so I'm very satisfied.
The world is changing all the time, and specifically now the world is changing faster than ever before in our history. So as an entrepreneur, you have to follow that and understand it and try to adjust all the time your company to these new opportunities.
Yes. Well, I like that. I love this conference because I love the people. I think it's really well organized, and I think this time what I enjoyed a lot, what I didn't quite expect, was the roundtable discussion. So I sat in on 3 of them. I thought they were really well prepared, good handout materials, and lively discussion amongst the people. And this conference does draw a nice diversity of folks from, young companies, a little bit bigger companies, the kind of more mature ones, investors, and just kind of industry insiders and experts. And so you get those folks who are on these roundtable discussions, and it's pretty interesting, some good insights.
Good. And do you like the networking aspect of it as well?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I just love chatting with folks, and like even in here in the reception, and seeing, people, and then just like learning more about like what different companies and organizations are doing, staying in touch and meeting new folks. Yeah, the networking thing is definitely good.
Well, it's really interesting because of the diversity of the people that are here. It's not just the people that are presenting, but the people that are invited to be here. Because you take an industry like the water industry, and then you think, well, it's water. And then you realize that it's actually divided up into so many different features and so many people with bright ideas. It's just really interesting to hear it all. It's a pleasure. No problem.